HomeFundIt is the first and only down payment gifting platform designed by a mortgage lender to help you buy a home sooner with a larger down payment. It's down payment assistance reinvented. Here's how it works. Start at HomeFundIt.com and sign up for your free HomeFundIt account. Create a unique campaign page and tell your story to family and friends. Include photos and videos. You can connect your Facebook so it's easy to access photos and share your campaign with your network. Then you can choose to use HomeFundIt, UpIt, or both at the same time. With UpIt, you and your supporters can start shopping online from the UpIt store link as soon as your page goes live. A percentage of each purchase will be pledged back to your down payment. There are over 1,000 participating retailers like Target, Petco, Overstock.com, and other stores you know and love. UpIt pledges never expire, so you can set up a campaign and shop with UpIt even if you don't plan to buy for a long time. With HomeFundIt, you set a down payment goal and start accepting gifts from family and friends. It's easy and it's online, and anyone can give. Each contributor can give up to $7,500. If you're a first-time homebuyer, you can qualify for the HomeFundIt Closing Cost Grant. Eligible first-time homebuyers will earn $2 for every $1 in regular contributions, up to the lesser of $2,000 or 1% of the purchase price. To qualify, you'll need to complete a free homebuyer education course, online or over the phone, before the purchase contract is signed. As an added bonus, every time you or someone you know shares your campaign on social media through the buttons on the campaign page, you'll earn an extra $10 towards the closing cost grant. Sharing your story tells your network you're trying to buy a home, and might even help you get more gifts. As a second bonus, for each $1 you earn on UpIt pledges, you get another $2 towards your closing cost grant. For example, a 4% rebate pledge from Walmart now works out to an amazing 12% in value. So don't forget to tell your supporters to do all their shopping from your campaign page. With HomeFundIt, you could be ready to buy much sooner than you ever thought possible. When you're ready to start shopping for a home, you can use all of your gift funds. Then at closing, any additional grants and UpIt pledges will be automatically applied. Welcome home. And don't forget to invite all your contributors to your housewarming party.